Bollywood dance is a unique style that has evolved over several decades. It is a fusion of various Indian classical, folk, and contemporary dance forms. It has its roots in traditional Indian dance and has undergone a significant transformation over the years. The early years of Bollywood dance were characterized by traditional Indian dance forms such as Kathak and Bharatanatyam. These dances depicted celebrations, rituals, and worship. The films of this era were often mythological or historical in nature, and the dance sequences were used to tell the story. The 1950s and 1960s saw a shift in the dance style, with the introduction of Western dance forms such as jazz, rock and roll, and twist. Choreographers such as B. Sohan Rao, Herman Benjamin, and Suresh Bhatt blended Indian classical dance with Western styles to create a unique Bollywood dance style. This period is considered the golden era of Bollywood dance, as it was marked by several iconic dance sequences that are still popular today. The 1970s and the 1980s saw the influence of disco and funk music in films. Choreographers such as Saroj Khan, who is credited with introducing the sensuousness of Bollywood dance, and Chinni Prakash, who is known for his high-energy dance sequences, emerged during this time. The film Disco Dancer is an iconic example of disco and Bollywood fusion, with its catchy disco beats and dance moves that became a rage in India.
I am a disco dancer.
The 1990s saw the emergence of modern Bollywood dance, which incorporated elements of other contemporary dance forms. Choreographers such as Farah Khan and Vaibhavi Merchant brought a new style to it, which was marked by innovative and fast-paced choreography, along with a focus on facial expressions and storytelling. In recent years, Bollywood dance has become increasingly globalized, with choreographers and performers drawing inspiration from various international dance forms. It has been featured in several international dance competitions and has gained a following among non-Indian audiences, with many dance schools teaching Bollywood dance around the world. Bollywood songs and dances are so popular that they are also used in TikToks and Instagram reels around the world. From traditional Indian dance forms to a fusion of Western and Indian styles to the modern Bollywood dance that we see today, it has come a long way. Despite the changes, the essence of it has remained the same. It is still about storytelling through dance, and it's a great form of entertainment while watching your favorite movies.